No tests can get done without a test header, and what Innovator has done is engineer a series of engineered test headers for both hydrostatic and pneumatic hydro tests, pressure tests. The significant cost involved with engineering and then registering the design and then doing the manufacturing for a test header can be significant. On a pneumatic test, every single joint is welded, every single joint is RT'd, and these can run into thousands, sometimes as much as $10,000 or $15,000 to manufacture these. So Innovator has a stock of these that are pre-designed, pre-registered with ABSA, and are manufactured for both hydrostatic and pneumatic testing so that they are ready for you to rent and for us to come and use them on service jobs as needed. And we have about 24 of these engineered test headers in our rental fleet that both our people use on service applications and our clients, you, can rent them as you need.